squeeze this off. So this makes the wheel go, right? It's like a pedal. So I need you to spin it really, really fast for me.
Hold on, stop.
That was my mistake, sorry. Forgot about the sponge. It's messy. It's very messy. You're gonna get very dirty.
That's okay. Kids are supposed to be nice.
Yeah.
That's okay. We'll take a shower at home.
Can you make this into a ball for me with your hands? Smack it together. Very good. See it? Oh, that's perfect. All right, so now I need you to smack it down in the center as hard as possible. Awesome. A little center.
Where did you get
Pat it
this?
down for me.
Sorry.
Too hard.
Little bit, not
That's
too
good,
much.
that's good.
That's enough.
All right, can you spin the wheel really slow? I'm going to try to get it a little bit of a bump.
So let's press
A little more. Keep going.
Little
A
more.
little harder.
Little harder.
That's perfect. Hold still, right like that, okay? We're going to nudge this into the center. All right. So right now it's very dry. You need to get it really wet. So take this sponge and squeeze it all out over the clay. Nice. All right. Now get the sponge nice and wet again. Dip it in the bucket. Okay. So we're going to make a firework. There we go. Goes really fast. Really fast. Spin it. Awesome. All right, so now
Hold it still, okay?
the clay is going to try to move you. You got to push it back. So let me have this. I'll keep it wet for you. Get your hands really wet. Good job. And now put your hands on it, both hands, and try to get it right nice in the center.
You know what I mean? So it's like
Don't let
Push
your
more.
hands move.
Push.
stuff done, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get church.
Very good. I'll finish it off for you. Awesome. All right. Now.
And he's gonna make a candle holder. That's
It's
okay.
It comes right out in the
Don't
wash.
pull on that.
Oh yeah. Even if it doesn't, it's worth it.
Okay. Very good. So now, I need your help. I need on your fingers. Pick a finger. All right. We're gonna push straight down, but don't touch the wheel. Okay?
Not all the way down.
Not all the way. Just most of the way. Hold really still and push down. You gotta use a lot of force. Keep going. Keep going. More. More.
Wow, Renee.
Make it straight down.
That's okay, don't worry, it will come out.
Very good. All right, now lift up slowly. There we go. All right. So now we're gonna try to open. So I need you to put your finger right in the center again, but move it like this, a little bit to the side towards my sponge. Okay? Other side. Other side.
Toward the sponge.
Put the finger all the way down. And try to squeeze the clay against the sponge, and then slowly lift it up. All right. Now that it's open like that, it's all yours. The wetter it is, the smoother it'll be. Okay. And if you need more water, there's a bucket right here where you can put it in.
You gotta use the other hand.
So what you want to do is you put the clay in between. Okay, that's a lot of water.
She's like, you told me to make it wet.
I did. So you want to stick on this side of it, because of where it's spinning. Yep. And now you want to put the clay between your two fingers and squeeze it and lift it up, okay? And that's how you can make it nice and tall, whatever shape you want.
Good job, Renee.
The starting point.
Yeah, it's
People really struggle centering it. Yeah.
they have like tables set up. And then people kind of like sit out.
She ran. Okay.
What?
She's over there.
No, don't push it down. Don't make a hole all the way down.
No, not all the way.
That one too.
Not like me. And like, use your hand.
Good job, Renee. Okay. You don't have to use two hands.
Oh no, that's okay.
Come
must be so soothing for your mind and body.
It's really funny because like when you're doing it well, it is very meditative, but it's very easy to mess up. So it can go from meditative to infuriating really, really quick.
Okay, Renee?
But it forces you to be very focused and it's nice.
Okay, Renee.
When I lift it up, I need you to grab underneath it so it stays in shape, okay? 3, 2, 1. Grab it. Nice. And then very carefully, bring it over here to the table.
Okay. Good job, Renee.
Good job. Nice.
What do you say?
You're very welcome.
No, I'm not. Do the bottom edges too.